back to another video. I don't know if I filmed the video here, but we're at the Indian River Inlet. There's the bridge over there. I just saved the dragonfly. She wasn't doing so good. So I put her on, I fixed her wing and then I put her on a plant. Wow, I can talk. So I'm meeting Allison here. If it's windy, I apologize, but yeah, hurricane season's still here. I'll show you what the waters look like, guys. This is what the waters look like, pretty fresh. Here's Allison.
A whole lot of work for me.
So yeah, we made it, and I don't know if we're gonna go in the water because like we don't want to die today.
Hurricane Flo, guys.
Hurricane Flo.
She's really here to play.
So
I thought that was a shark earlier. It's really just a guy on a paddleboard. Me, an intellectual. Your dad is really going for it. Like,
I know. Really going at it. That sounds like a puppy, but look how big the dog is. She's like pretty thick, but she sounds like a skinny legend.
I am skinny. He's gone. My dad trying to chase after your dad.
Guys.
We should have Tino teach me how to skim.
As he falls. Look at that kid.
Oh, he's really eating on him. Oh, Hurricane Flo is not here to mess
sunny.
around.
The sun's coming out to give us some good lighting. Also, photo shoot part 2 because the first one was a mess because Tino was throwing sand at me.
Love that.
That was great.
Love that. Tino is really a legend. That's it.
Yeah.
Just an icon.
That's Liam. That's Tenno.
That's Tenno.
That's Finley.
That's Finley. And then
that's the legend over there. Over there.
Really just surfing legend.
And that's Allie's dad. And then my dad just disappeared. I think the ocean ate him. Where did he go?
Oh, he's right there.
Oh, he's over there. He's over there.
He's really a
yes,
legend.
yes,
Yeah,
get it,
look at him.
get it. Ooh,
Shred City.
Shred. Oh, okay.
I love being population Shred City.
Okay, so we back with, we have a GoPro. Oh, this guy, he's about to get real rich. Look at him.
He's gonna get all the treasures.
Okay, we'll be back with the GoPro. We're vlog pros? Oh my god. Just kidding, this whole thing's gonna be shooketh because we're shaking. We're quaking. Ooh, these are strong. It's too shallow. I hit my back. Oh my god. I made it out alive. Not doing good. Okay, Tino taking over. Yeah, boy. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my So I'm here facing Hurricane Flo. She is really not here to play. As you can see, the waves are looking great. Carefully hold it. Hey guys. Guys, I think I'm gonna die to riptide. And we're back. My eyes are stinging. I lost my gum. It was very sad. 1 second I had my gum, next second it was gone. So if you guys find my gum, just let me know. Don't message Hurricane Flo. She is not liking us currently. Allison's over there. My Polly's better than her. I'm dying, I'm sick. She's thriving. Look at her. She came for me. Oh my god. It's huge, Auntie. Hold up. Fresh Yes! We're back. Ooh.
Let me put my gloves on so I don't look like a bird.
I lost my phone,
She was sitting on it.
but we're back on my phone, and my mom packed some booty snacks.
It's really a struggle. Mukbang, guys.
I got a bunch of gifts from Allison's family. Thank her, because I would not be able to survive.
Yeah, you're welcome. I really...
Shout out to Cameron Bosman, who watched all my videos.
Hey, shout out to you.
This is a mukbang.
Is it mukbang or
Muk
mukbang?
mukbang. I don't know. How would you pronounce it? That's a Sister T. Comment if your little brothers are annoying, because they all are. Isn't it weird that our brothers are friends and we're friends?
Isn't that crazy? What a coincidence.
Wow. I can't see myself, so if I look like a mess and a half, then
I always look like a mess and a half.
then just leave. Just saying, don't leave. If you are gonna leave though, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, post notifs. Don't miss another video of my beautiful face. Alright, it's getting a little chilly, getting a little windy, getting a little rough out in the ocean, tides. Ooh, let's get it. Ooh, look at those chips, guys. Munchy, munchy. We're gonna end the snack portion of the video here because it's going on too long because we snacked too long.
I just really like snacking.
Are we gonna go in the water again?
Yes, sis.
Heck yeah.
The answer is always yes.
I don't know if we're gonna vlog though out there because we already got like 7 minutes of footage out there.
And it's kind of a little difficult to vlog while trying to face hurricane flow, you know?
I said snack time was over like 3 minutes ago. This is dumb. Okay, get back. My face is burned and it's burning some more. My eyebrows burned. My eyebrows are actually stinging. What the freak?
They look normal, so I think
I know, it's just I got burned. Okay, thanks for watching. Leave
Thank you guys for watching.
a thumbs up, subscribe, do all that.
Sounds so
fun
happy. And we did a photo shoot, so if you want to see the pictures that we took, follow me on Instagram.
And me, don't forget that.
Snack time part 2.
Part 2.
But also goodbye.
Also goodbye. Love you guys. Bye. Peace out, Snicker Snacks.